profesional que puede darte directo y
Esto demostró que la gente me escuchaba, así que volví a mi escuela con entusiasmo y trabajé con estudiantes más jóvenes, en particular aquellos en nuestra escuela primaria, participando en TeenTech Sitios Tomorrow Esquema. Esto es una nueva versión de TeenTech, pero para estudiantes de la escuela primaria. ¿Algún consejo? Haga mucha investigación porque me gustan proyectos de equipo y un nuevo desafío. Conduje un equipo.
La estadística reciente sugiere que hasta el 80% de los empleos que fueron nacidos en los años 2000 tendrán en el futuro aún no existen. He encontrado que por ilustrando otros sobre la ingeniería y la tecnología, esto cementó mi pasión y entusiasmo más para las oportunidades diversas y que se desarrollan dinámicamente que nos esperan en el mundo de trabajo. Muchas gracias.
Yeah, so the classic kind of traffic light system to discover how they were feeling about the lesson, and then I had specific questions about the activity and what they thought about what I was teaching and how I was teaching, so I could also
Would you like to study in the future? I didn't
more free time at the weekend. So for me, I try and get my homework done during the school day, during my free period.
What is your interest in technology?
An overview of the whole project. So it was one document
Which
where we
project
put
you enjoyed the most?
I'd say I did really enjoy TeenTech the most. Just the year that I spent dedicated on this one project.
What advice do you give us to do better
And setting a list of goals to achieve each week. So if the project event is a month long,
Do you have
then
a from science?
yeah, I really enjoy sports, so team sports are a big part of my life, like netball and hockey, that sort of thing.
How do you deal with your studies and your social life?
Yeah, that's a great question. I really struggle sometimes. We do get a lot of work, but I find that if you dedicate maybe an hour in your evening as well as during your day to get your work done, it gives you a bit of...
I don't know how else to explain it. Yeah. I also play golf sometimes.
something called an innovation log. So this was basically an overview of the whole project. So it was one document where we put down all of the primary uses, secondary uses, and I'll find
I think I'd like to be an astronaut. I'm quite scared of space, like going into it, but I think if I could really be anything.
Put them onto you, I think that'd probably be easiest.
Excellent. Really good. Anyway, well done again.
Oh, thank you.
My question is, how can I encourage her to
I'm Ines.
Hello.
I have a question for you. What would you like to study in the future?
No. That's, can you hear me?
Yeah?
Yeah, that's secondary education.
That gives me
School.
more hope in my future. So I know that I'm following my gut instinct as well.
Yeah, also on English learning, we're very impressed with your English. Well done.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much on your behalf. And Lauren's Spanish is excellent, by the way. So thanks a lot, and hope to hear from you very soon.
Yes, we will.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you from Canton School in Pontevedra. We're here after the lecture by Lauren Shee. She's been talking to us about science and her projects, and we would like to listen to our students now and see what their opinion about the lecture, about her is. I'm sure they will have wonderful words for this great lecture.
I think it's very interesting girl and very hardworking too.
She has definitely encouraged us to participate in this project, so we are really thankful.
We are glad to have this opportunity and we hope we can keep in touch.
Thanks to this conference and Lauren, we have discovered what is GenTech and the importance of science and physics in our lives.
I am impressed by her mature attitude, and I would like to thank you for your useful advice.
Thank you so much, Lauren.
That's okay.
I think there's no more questions.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much.
Thank you.